popular cashback cards face off. Which one really delivers? On the left, Blue Cash Every Day, simple cashback for everyday spending. On the right, Costco Anywhere Visa, powerful rewards made for Costco members. Let's skip the buzzwords and dig into what actually matters. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see which card truly comes out ahead. The winner could surprise you. All right, before we get too hyped, let's map out what matters. Here's what we'll compare. Annual fee, reward structure. Seriously, this one's huge. Costco purchases, gas rewards, foreign transaction fees, how you actually redeem the rewards, and all those extra perks and protections. Let's kick off with something super simple. Annual fees. Both cards here? Technically, there's no annual fee, which is pretty sweet in 2025. But here's the thing. For the Costco Visa, you have to keep a paid Costco membership. So, it's kind of like having a sneaky fee in the background. Not exactly free if you count that $65+ a year. Amex skips that drama. So on paper, it's a tie, but I'd keep that membership requirement in the back of your mind. Now, let's talk about reward structure. And this is where things get juicy. Blue Cash Every Day keeps things simple. 3% back at US supermarkets, US gas stations, and online retail. Pretty nice. But there's this cap. After $6K a year, you drop down to just 1%. Feel free to sigh. Everything else? Also just 1%. Costco Visa, though, throws out 4 to 5% on gas, again with that 7K annual limit, plus 3% at restaurants and travel, 2% at Costco itself, and 1% on the rest. So, yeah, bigger numbers on paper, but most of that punch is in the gas and travel, not your weekly groceries. Oh, and the catch? Rewards aren't paid out until once a year. So between instant gratification and those chunky bonus categories, Blue Cash Every Day edges out the win for most people. What about Costco purchases themselves? This one's honestly a no-brainer. Amex doesn't actually work for in-store Costco shopping. Like literally, they don't accept American Express at the register. Not ideal, right? But the Costco Visa? You get 2% cash back on everything in-store and online. And you're swiping that card wherever Visa is taken. If you're buying in bulk and doing the rotisserie chicken run, the Costco Visa absolutely takes the cake here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know you actually need an active Costco membership to even get the Costco Anywhere Visa card? Not just to shop, but to have the card at all. So if you're thinking about skipping the membership, the card's a no-go. Heading to the pump? Let's see how these stack up. Blue Cash Every Day gives you 3% at US gas stations, but, awkward detail, it's not valid at warehouse clubs like Costco. So, if you fill up at Costco, it's basically a nope. Now, the Costco Visa is where things get super interesting. 4% at pretty much all gas stations and EV charging up to $7,000 per year, and 5% at Costco gas stations. So, Costco diehards? This is serious cash back. The only catch is the rewards cap. But honestly, if you drive, this card is built with you in mind. Costco Visa takes this one hands down. Okay, let's talk travel. Specifically, foreign transaction fees. Blue Cash Every Day? There's nothing majorly special here. And if you travel, you're going to get charged those pesky foreign transaction fees. If you use your card overseas, expect a couple % to vanish. The Costco Visa, though? No foreign transaction fees, which is awesome for travel junkies, or if you just find yourself abroad on a food tour. Easy win for Costco Visa on this one. Now, to something a little underrated. How you redeem all this glorious cash back. Blue Cash Every Day is all about flexibility. Redeem your rewards whenever as a statement credit. Seriously, anytime, no waiting, just click, boom, instant gratification. Costco Visa? It's a little old school. You earn rewards throughout the year, but you can only redeem them once, after your February statement, as a certificate for cash or at Costco. Hope you like delayed excitement, I guess? If you want to spend your rewards your way, Blue Cash Every Day is the clear winner. And lastly, those other perks and protections. Amex cards are famous for their purchase protection. Super handy. Citi's Costco card comes with purchase protection too, plus access to Citi entertainment and contactless payments. Nothing mind-blowing, but both cards are solid here. Let's call it a tie. Neither one stands out enough to tip the scale. So putting it all together, both are fantastic. But you start to see where Costco Visa really pulls ahead on gas and Costco-specific purchases, while Blue Cash Every Day quietly wins in the ease of use and instant rewards game. All right, honest opinion, the Blue Cash Every Day is Perfect if you want everyday cash back on things like groceries and online shopping, plus that sweet instant rewards action. But if you're all about maximizing your gas perks, travel, and you don't mind waiting a whole year to cash out, plus you love shopping at Costco, the Costco Visa card can't be beat. Got your Costco membership? That's your card. Otherwise, Blue Cash Everyday is way more flexible for most folks. Want to keep leveling up your money moves with comparisons like this? Hit follow or subscribe and stick around for more tips and breakdowns just like